The Sustainability Learning Centre is part of Hobart College. It's based at Mount Nelson and it's surrounded by 65 hectares of beautiful bushland, and we offer programs with a really strong sustainability linkage, particularly around climate change, responsible consumption, life on land, waste, water, biodiversity, renewable energy and sustainable living.
So the centre is available for all schools in the state to visit. Each year we have approximately 6,000 students that we work with.
We run programs for the community as well. We run a regular program every Monday for the community around bush kindergarten, but we run programs that engage senior secondary, primary and early childhood. The Sustainability Learning Centre offers the opportunity to craft a program with teachers to meet the learning outcomes and to fit within the inquiry cycle. And it's a beautiful location to explore things from and understand how children and learners can protect and secure the environment for the future.